Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and we've got the first order. This is Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
All right, this is just one drink in here, so be careful it doesn't tip over. Okay?
Yep. Thank you. Oh, it's just upstairs. It's always upstairs. And we got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going 3 miles. That was actually a good order though. Total for that was $8 and change.
PC4?
Yep, thank you.
Thank you, have a good day.
You too. The apartment numbers don't repeat at all at this apartment complex, which means that they gave me the wrong building number, which I don't see how that's possible because they're literally right in front of the doors. But for a no tip, $3 order, I do not care that much. And we got the next order right away. This is going back to McDonald's. This one is going 3 miles. You too. Hand it to customer, huh? Is that really necessary? There you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day. Oh, never mind. I am so glad I met you. That was a really good order. Total was almost $10. And that took me, what, less than 15 minutes? Oh, thank God this order's got me turning around because I cannot see a thing. We got a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that was $4. Wowee. We've got an order for Don Taco. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Make sure there's some sauce on there. Yeah.
Thank you. Total for that one was $7 and change, and apparently it only took me 9 minutes, so really good order. Next up, we've got a Subway going 3.5 miles. Why is this a hand to customer? Why are you so obsessed with me is the better question. No tip on that one, huh? Total ended up being $4 and change. Just got the next order. This is gonna be Black Rock Coffee going 4 miles.
This is for you, and then the straw's right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was just under $7. Kind of surprising. I thought it was gonna be more like $2, but I'll take it. And we just got the next order. This is going to be Voodoo Donut going 9 miles. Actually, you know what? No, I just read their drop-off instructions and I know where this is going. I've delivered there one time and that's gonna stay that way. They didn't tip, so we're not doing that. See, this one is more like it. We got a McDonald's going 4 miles. Probably gonna be a no tip on this one as well, but if I'm gonna get no tipped, I'd rather have it be local instead of leaving my zone to do it and having to drive all the way back. Going upstairs. All those steps for a $1 tip. Total for that was $4 and change. Got the next order right away. This is going to be Seize the Bagel going 4.5 miles. I like how I got a message from the previous customer. Just a plain old smiley face. Like, do I reply to it? I'm just gonna reply with another smiley face back. Even though I'm not smiley face for you.
That name.
I
really want to see you say that though because you're wearing a GoPro and I think it'd be funny.
Viridiana?
Just messing with you.
My
There you
closest
go.
guess. Thank you. Total for that one ended up being $8, and we're going back to Seize the Bagel. This one is going 5 miles.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I didn't even get to see how much I got paid for that one because the next order popped up right away. This is Burger King going 3 miles.
You go have the straws over here.
Oh, I love how that is soaked. Really glad you had me grab that when it was just dripping everywhere.
Thanks, man.
Yep, I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Total for that was $7, and it only took us 12 minutes to complete. So pretty good, pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Scratch Breakfast going 7 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, be there.
You too. Total for that one was just under $10. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is Del Taco and Muchas Gracias going 10 miles. Jeez.
Very bond's gonna be 1 bag, 1 shrimp.
Gotcha.
You have yourself a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that was loud in my ear. All you're getting is 1 drink from this other restaurant? What? Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'll get 1 more drink for you. And there should be a straw in that bag. No tip on both of those. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. Total ended up being $10. That's insane, my guy. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 7.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Okay, they actually tipped. Nice, nice. Total for that was just under $12. Next up, we've got an order for Nayeli's Place. This one is going 4 miles.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you.
0 tip. My guy, let's go. Total ended up being $4. Not even $4. It was $3.89 to be exact. Okay, I got the next order. This one is Del Taco going 10 miles. The only reason I'm taking this one is because it's taking me closer to home. So I'm probably gonna call it after this one. Also, I got this order as I was at the light for the restaurant, so might as well. Okay, I knew it was gonna take some time because I'm pretty sure I got it at the same time that they did, but I didn't think it was gonna take 15 minutes. Total for that one was $19 and change. Current time is 11:15. Total, we are at 1:32. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.